Because she just skipped this morning.
be the first to welcome you to Fort Lauderdale's Hollywood International Airport, where the current local time is 7 p.m. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes. We ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all of your carry-on items stowed until we have reached the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, please remember to take a look around your seating areas, seat back pockets, and overhead bins for any and all belongings that you may have brought on board. Please take care and open the overhead bins as contents may be shifted during our flight. Once inside the terminal building, connecting gate information, ground transportation, and baggage claim information will be provided by airport information signs, monitors, or the uniformed Continental representative that will be meeting this flight. On behalf of Continental Airlines, the Star Alliance, and your entire New York-based in-flight crew, we know you have a choice in carriers. We thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and we look forward to serving you on a future Continental flight. I hope you enjoy your time in the Fort Lauderdale area or the city or country of your final destination. If we do have passengers on board that are connecting to Key West, if you could ring your flight attendant call button at this time. Everyone can take a look around and see where this call button is. We have 2 passengers that do have an immediate departure to Key West, and it will be imperative for them to get off the aircraft first. So if everyone could just remain comfortably seated until we do so. Otherwise, if you have the kindness in your heart so they do not get stuck in the airport this evening, there were some weather circumstances. I know they would greatly appreciate that, and so went away. At this time, the use of cellular phones is now permitted. Thank you.
I thought you said it was